What is up, you beautiful soul? Welcome to Roncap TV. In this video I'm going to discuss and elaborate on how to calculate your life path number. This is a very simple method to follow. But before we start, I would like to say thank you that you are now watching my video. So without a further ado, let's begin. A great place to start is by identifying your life path number, which is derived solely from a person's birth date. Numerology is all about getting down to single-digit numbers or root numbers, so you need to reduce until you get to a single-digit figure. Now let's begin. For example, if your birthday is the 26th of February 1993, it would be 2 plus 6 equals 8, added to the number 2, giving you 10. To get to a single digit, you add them together again, so 1 plus 0 equals 1. Next, add together all the numbers of your birth year. For example, 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 3 equals 22. Now, add both these numbers together. So, in this example, it will be 22 plus 1 equals 23. Finally, add the two digits together to create one single number. In this example, 2 plus 3 equals 5, so this person's life path number is 5. To know more about numerology, please watch my previous video uploaded in my channel. The link is in the description below.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.